Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys 3 settings to block all ads on your iPhone. Well, the first thing that you can do is simply get it through your Safari. So you can simply open your Safari. Just like this, here you can see I have opened my Safari and I am in the specific page just like this. And in this page, I can see the ad popping up right here. So if I don't want this particular app right here, what I can do is simply tap on this red triangular icon that you can see right here. And then from here, you can tap on the option hide distracting items. So if you simply tap on it, then you can select the item that you want to hide. So for example, I want this ad to be gone, then I'm going to tap on it. And then here, you can tap on hide. After doing that, here you can see it has now been gone and I have successfully hidden that ad. Just like this, you can now scroll down and search for a specific ad. Again, this one, tap on hide and it's gone. When you're done with it, you can tap on done, and like that, you'll be able to remove any kind of ad from your Safari. So this method can only remove ads from a specific pages. Just like this, you'll need to keep on select the item in order to hide it. If you want to hide it all, you can now go back and you can now get to the settings, and then on your settings, scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. And then from here, you can search for Safari or any other browser that you use, for example, Chrome or anything. But I use Safari, so I'm going to search for Safari and get to the settings of Safari just like this. And in here, if you scroll down, here you can see the option of block pop-ups. Here you can see just like this, you'll need to turn this feature on. And now when you go to Safari, all of the pop-ups will be stopped and all of it will be blocked and you'll be able to smoothly use your Safari. And even after doing these 2 things, if you still are being able to see any kind of ads on your phone, the last thing that I can recommend you is using a third-party app called adguard.dns. So you can simply get to the App Store on your phone. And on your App Store, you can simply search for AdGuard. So after searching for AdGuard, here you can see this is the official application that I'm talking about. If you simply tap on it and then tap on get and install this on your phone, and then after installing it, you'll need to now open the application and follow the few process of it and, enable or disable few settings on your phone that this application will tell you to do. And after doing that, all of the ads that you'll be seeing on any kind of application or web browser will be stopped on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.